Hi all, good morning and good evening as well. So in the yesterday CSSP class, I explained about CIA triad protection mechanisms. Those mechanisms are layering approach, second one is data hiding, third one is abstraction, and fourth one is encryption. Now in this video, I can provide in-depth analysis of what is difference in depth layer approach, what is data hiding, abstraction, and finally encryption. So let's start now. First one is defense in depth layer approach or layering approach. So here it's like an onion layer. So in case the attacker is bypassing one layer, so second layer will come into as a protection mechanism. If the second layer also is trying to bypass by the attacker, then third layer is going to come as a defense. If third layer is also going to compromise by an attacker, so fourth layer will come as a defense. This layering approach is called as a defense in depth layer approach. So second one is abstraction. Abstraction is a basically in generic meaning, it is like efficiency. So how we can keep this efficiency? So we can make a similar elements like a groups or roles, and finally for those groups or roles we have to assign the restrictions or permissions or policies or profiles. For example, if I want to say practically, example under the EDR solution, so all the Windows machine as endpoints we can make it like a one group, and finally we can assign the policy belongs to malware or ransomware or DLP or encryption or file integrity monitoring or HDS, HAPS and update management. This is the way how the abstraction can be implemented by grouping the similar elements, and finally we have to provide the permissions or controls to that particular similar elements. Next one is data hiding. So whatever confidential data, it should not be accessed and also should not be discovered. For example, database, only authorized people only we have to give the access, unauthorized people we should not give the access. That is called data hiding. And finally encryption, the plain text of the data can be converted into encrypted data using some of the keys or passwords, is called as encryption. So these are the four different types of protection mechanisms we can implement for CIA triad: layering approach, data abstraction, data hiding and encryption. Thank you so much.